Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to do Clickbank affiliate marketing as a beginner. And yes, you can use this method for Digital24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus and other affiliate networks. And maybe best is to actually use it to promote your own product. Now, even though this method is free, it takes some time and it takes some work. Well, actually, I'm going to show you how to use Facebook groups to promote your affiliate products. But don't worry, we will not spam Facebook groups. This is a bit different method. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. And that niche should be something that you are familiar with, something that you know, something that you understand, because it is much easier to promote products if you actually know what you're talking about. Now, next thing you need to do, you need to go on Facebook. And then here on Facebook, you need to click here on groups. And then you need to click here, create a new group and create a new group. Now here you need to add a name of that group and that name should contain your main keyword. So let's say I'm in dog niche. So name of my group should contain a word dog, dogs, puppy, puppies, something like that. So I'll just say dog for this example. And here you need to choose privacy. I will choose it public, but you can also choose private and see which one works the best for you. And then click here on create and that's it. I created my Facebook group. So next thing you need to do, you need to add some graphics as you can see here. Now, if you can make that graphic in Photoshop, great. But if you can't, then you can go on Pixabay, Pexels or Unsplash and find royalty-free photos and images that you can add on your Facebook group as a timeline image. But how do you actually promote your affiliate products? So what you need to do, you need to click here on add description. Now you see these options here. Now they're only visible to me because I'm administrator of this group. Now members of your group, they won't see this. So just click here on add a description. And in description, you need to add call to action, but also description should contain your main keyword because Facebook looks at that when they are promoting your group. So I already prepared call to action and I can say something like this, okay? And I'm going to paste that here. Transform your dog into a well-behaved, obedient, furry friend, okay? So next thing I need to do, I need to find a product to promote. And for that, you can go on Clickbank Marketplace, Digital24 Marketplace, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or whatever. But for this purpose, I'm going to use Clickbank. So what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on Home and Garden and then Animal Care and Pets. And here I can find dog-related products. As you can see here, brain training for dogs. Gravity is 98. Now, this product exists for a long time and this is a good product. But you should also check other products as well. For example, here, Doggy Dane's online dog training. Now here you can see gravity is 23, which is a decent gravity, but I can make $96 on average per sale. And look at this, upsell flow, physical product, one-time, recurring commission, affiliate tools, $1 trial. Now for us, for affiliates, this is actually a better product to promote than this one here, okay? So for example, I just say I wish to promote this product here. What I need to do, I need to click here on promote and I need to actually log into my Clickbank account. So I will pause this video in a second so I can log into my Clickbank account. Okay, this is my Clickbank affiliate link. So what I need to do, I need to click here on copy and then I need to go back on Facebook and I need to add that link here, okay? Paste it here. Now I use the raw link, affiliate link, but I would suggest to actually use a URL shortener because as you can see, this is a long and ugly looking link. So you should use a URL shortener. And now just click here on save, give it a second. And as you can see here, in about section, this is a clickable link. So now people can actually click this link and they will go back on the sales page of that product and they can buy, if they buy that product, I'm going to earn an affiliate commission. Now, another way to promote your affiliate products is to actually start a blog. And then in that blog, you need to start writing articles where you are promoting different affiliate products. And after you write that article, what you need to do, you need to come to your Facebook group, click here and then share that blog post in your Facebook group. And after you do that, you will be actually able to click here on these three dots and then click here on pin to featured. and then that post will be pinned on top of your group. And every time someone visits your group, first post they will see will be your blog post where you're promoting your affiliate product. In that way, you will get most of the traffic from your Facebook group, and you can do that because it is your Facebook group, right? But main problem many people have is how to actually grow a Facebook group. Now there are 4 ways to grow your Facebook group. Now first way is to actually start posting in viral content. Now to find viral content, what you can do is you can simply go on Instagram, in this case search for dog related groups, big groups, and then what you can do is you can simply share those groups in your own Facebook group and try to add some catchy description of that photo. In that case, you will spark engagement, you will spark discussions. Now that is the first way. Now second way is to actually go on Facebook and find related groups. For example, dogs, and then click here and then click here on groups and find dog related groups. For example, this one here. This is actually my group, sorry about that. Dogs make me happy. And then what you need to do, you need to simply click here on post, and let me just pause this, okay? And you need to copy this link here and simply share that link here, okay? And like again, just try to add a catchy description. In that way, you will spark a discussion, you will get more engagement, more people will see your post, and potentially more people will try to join your group. Now this is important. Some of the Facebook groups, they don't like cross postings, which means sharing posts from another group in their own group. But most of the Facebook groups, they are actually fine with that. So don't be surprised if that happens. That is the second way. Now, third way is to actually start growing your Facebook profile, okay? Simply start adding friends in your niche and start growing your profile. And when you reach, for example, 1,000 friends, what you can do is you can simply send a message to all of those friends and tell them to join your Facebook group. And because they are in your niche, at least 100 or 200 of those people will actually join your group. And if you add 4,000 or 5,000 friends, you can easily get 500 to 1,000 members on your group totally free. And fourth and best way is to actually grow your group organically. So what that means? That means that you can go on your group and start sparking discussion, start sparking engagement in your group. But how do you do that? Well, you can simply say something like share a photo of your dog in comments. Now, because these people, they are into dog niche, they probably have a dog and they will start sharing photos of their dogs in the comments. People like those stuff. Another thing that you can do is you can also say what is the craziest thing that your dog do every day. Again, people like those stuff and they will start sharing in comments crazy stuff that their dogs are doing every day. In that way, you will get more engagement, and the more engagement you have, the more engagement your group is getting, the more Facebook will promote your group, and people will start sending you requests to join your Facebook group, and you will start growing your group, your Facebook group, organically. In that way, you can potentially get 10, 20, 30,000 members in just 1 year, totally free. And if you post stuff like that every week, you will start getting more and more engagement. And if you pin your post on the top of that group, you will start getting 500, maybe even 1,000 visits every day to your blog or website, totally free. So this is how to do Clickbank affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2022. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.